going into the job, I had some experience at a more junior level of dealing with crises and emergencies, and so I took my responsibilities as the principal responder to a pandemic very seriously.
Does dealing with health emergencies include dealing with infectious diseases? Being ready to deal with the risk of infectious diseases?
Absolutely.
So, when concerned in the field of emergency preparedness, resilience, civil contingencies, where there is a health emergency, it is the Department of Health and Social Care that is the lead government department. In effect, it is the department in the driving seat.
Yes, and as Secretary of State, I felt keenly the responsibility as essentially the lead responder in the first instance to those sorts of health emergencies, and it was a part of my day-to-day work because these emergencies happen from time to time.
Were, when you were Secretary of State, risks prioritized in any way? Was there a grading system to prioritize those most important and serious risks from those that were less so?
Yes, of course, that's absolutely vital. And one of the challenges in a system as big as the health system is making sure the decisions are taken at the right level, because if you escalated everything to the Secretary of State, whoever they are, they would be completely overwhelmed. Yet it's vital to escalate the things that need to be seen by the Secretary of State to their desk.
Was influenza pandemic prioritized as a tier 1 risk?
Yes, it was. I recall that on my first day, I was given a briefing document about as big as this one, and one of the elements of it was making clear my responsibility as the tier 1 national responder for a pandemic flu and for other infectious diseases. I was already aware of this element of the role from my time at the Cabinet Office, but nevertheless it was properly and formally brought to my attention. And on day one, I asked for more information on preparedness because having been involved in previous crises, for instance, at the Bank of England, before I went into politics, I knew that when things go wrong, things move quickly, and you need to be as well prepared as you can.